Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background of a picture using AI for free. So here I have two pictures, this one and this one, and I want to remove their background. So here we will discuss about two websites that you can use for removing a picture's background. So first of all, open your browser, then go to erase.bg/upload. You will get to this page. Now drag the image you want to remove the background of. Now I want to remove the background of this picture and place it here. It will upload the image in some time. Now wait for some time, and here it will provide you with a removed background photo. Here you can download this or you can even edit this, like you can change its background for whatever you want, or you can even use this just as a simple one without a background. Click on download size and save your photo as you want. So the next website is Adobe Express. Click enter and go to this one, the image background remover. Click on upload your photo. Wait for some time. Once you're here, just simply drag the photo and just drop it here, and it will remove the background for you. Now once it is done, you can now just click on this download button and it will take you to a new page. Wait for some time. It will download it for you on this page. Now save the project file as you want. Just click on save and it will download it for you. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can use AI for removing a picture's background. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.